Okay, I wanted to just show you a brief demo that I put together that I think you see in a lot of different places. I took a triangle. You hear me ripping the angles off here. A, B, and C. I'm going to put the triangle back. And you see if I take A and C, I can put them together, and it makes a line. Okay, 180 degrees. Here's another triangle. You can see the angles A, B, C. And if I tear those angles off, I chose A and C both times here, then I can put those angles together to make a line, 180 degrees. The three angles in a triangle will always add up to be 180 degrees. Now this isn't a proof. There's obviously other ways you can do this and set this up, but I always think it's a nice little visual demonstration of why this is going to work. The angles in a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. So, if you had something like this, boom, that made a triangle, and I told you, well, this angle is 50 degrees, and this angle is 60 degrees. What is this one? Well, you should be able to find the missing angle by just saying, well, they have to add up to 180, so if I subtract off the 50 and subtract off the 60, of course, 50 and 60 is 110, so 180 minus that leaves 70 degrees. That is the missing angle. And you could certainly set up other, maybe more advanced problems. Let's do another thing like that. You could say something like, if this is 30 and this is 120 and this angle is 5x, solve for x. Well, one way to do it would simply to say, you could write, 5x plus 30 plus 120 equals 180. Combine your like terms. 5x plus 150 equals 180. Subtract 150 from both sides. So 5x equals 30, so you could say, all right, I know what that angle is now. It's 30, but that's not what we were asked. We were asked for what x was, so x is 6. So knowing that those angles have to add up to 180, we can solve for a missing one, or maybe we can say, well, we can solve for x. We can do a lot of algebra just knowing that they have to add up to 180 degrees. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more geometry help. I've got an entire playlist dedicated to geometry.